Well, alam naman natin yung what's behind all these investigations. They form part of a grand demolition job against us, the Duterte and the allies of Duterte. So, I leave it up to the people. The people know very well what is the real score. Taong bayan na mag-decide kung talaga bang totoo yan o hindi, then makita natin yan sa magiging resulta ng eleksyon. Kung sila naniniwala na si Bato ay masamang tao, then please, by all means, do not vote for me. Huwag niyo ako iboto. Pero kung kayo naniniwala na si Bato ay matino na tao at sinusugal ang kanyang buhay para labanan ang droga, kriminalidad, para maisalba ang kinabukasan ng kabataan, then please help me do that. Because I'm going to do that. I'm going to risk my life. I'm going to risk my career, my personal life para dyan sa laban na yan. Hindi po ako atras